Hey there, this is Brad Kramer, editor of Solar Builder Magazine, and today we're taking a look at Generac's newest addition to the microinverter space with their PWRmicro technology, recently unveiled at RE+. The dual-input 820-watt microinverter fits within Generac's ecosystem of residential energy technology solutions. Here to make the pitch is Rex Liu, VP of Product Management Clean Energy at Generac Power Systems. Hi, Rex. Thanks for taking the time today. To start off, tell us a little bit about the recent launch of the PWRmicro at RE Plus in September, and how does this support Generac's ecosystem of residential energy technology solutions available today?
Hi, Brad. Thanks for having me. I'd love to talk about PWRmicro, which, as you mentioned, we launched this past September at RE Plus. This product is a 820 watt 2-to-1 microinverter, which takes inputs from two separate solar panels and combines them into a single output. And what this does is effectively cuts the equipment needed to be installed on the roof in half. Of course, this new product pairs seamlessly with two other products that we launched last year, our energy storage system, PowerCell 2, and our new home standby generator that is the flagship product for Generac, both of which we've already started shipping in 2025. When you put all three products together, we kind of create the ultimate home energy solution, which effectively creates a bottomless battery that can be charged by solar power to save you money on your electric bill, or when paired with that generator, it can combine all three products to be the best backup experience in an outage. And of course, at the center of everything, we have our ecobee smart thermostat. It ties all of those pieces together for the homeowner, and it provides an in-home display that lets you monitor your energy right on your wall.
And what inspired Generac to develop the PWRmicro and microinverter, and what installer challenges were you aiming to solve?
As the solar market has evolved, we've seen a lot of advantages of having a microinverter over a traditional string inverter. I think most people understand that you can get better performance out of each solar panel because with a microinverter, you're really maximizing the performance directly at that panel. And that panel is not impacted by shading or string mismatch or a number of other factors that can reduce the overall power of your system. You also get the benefit of redundancy. With microinverters, you don't have a single point of failure. So if there ever is an issue with a single device, you're still getting power reduction from most of your system, meaning that the homeowner is still getting savings. It's also easier to design and install because with a microinverter, you can actually move different panels across the roof without having impacts on the adjacent panels, like I mentioned earlier. A lot of installers have had the experience of showing up to a site and being ready to install, but what you have on your print doesn't match the roof itself. Maybe you didn't catch an obstruction on the satellite map, so the installer has to move one panel from one position to another. And instead of having to deal with complicated string calculations or other design issues, you can actually just take one panel or two panels and move it to a different location and not impact the overall performance. And of course, you also get panel level monitoring. So with PWRmicro and most microinverter-based systems, you can see what each individual panel is producing, which helps you quickly troubleshoot and identify potential issues. Today, installers who want to use a microinverter basically have one option. So Generac saw the opportunity to provide a great alternative that meets the same high bar for quality and reliability, but also comes from a brand that installers and homeowners know and trust.
And how does the PWRmicro's power output compare to other leading microinverters, and what does this mean for installers and homeowners?
At 820 watts for two inputs, it effectively means that it is a 410 microinverter, which puts it well above the leading microinverter in the market today, which ranges from 290 to 384 watts. 410 is actually a very good number when you compare that with today's solar panels, which are typically between 400 and 440 watts DC. This means that homeowners are getting the most out of their solar investment, and installers have less equipment to install to get the same output.
And can you walk us through the installation and commissioning process? What makes the PWRmicro faster and easier to install?
I already touched on the fact that you have half the equipment to install on the roof. And if you ask any installer where they want to be on a job site, they will never tell you that they want to be up on the roof. where they could be under the hot sun beating down on them, obviously worrying about safety and other concerns of being elevated in an elevated location. So PWRmicro makes it easier for them to install because they spend less time on the roof. It's also installed right underneath the panel. I already talked about how you could move the different panel locations if you have an unexpected obstruction on the roof as well. But we really pride ourselves on the commissioning process for this product. So we have a couple features that really stand out, one of which is something we call automatic microinverter discovery. So as soon as you power up the AC combiner box and connect the AC cables to the microinverter, we start the discovery process, whereas some of our competitors need you to initiate it from their commissioning app. And what that does is the installer is standing there, seeing a spinning wheel, waiting for those devices to be discovered, taking up valuable time. Another great feature that we have is something we call nighttime commissioning. We actually power the microinverters directly from the AC side for a short amount of time so we can enable this feature. This means that you don't need sunlight to commission the product. And several installs, an installer might experience, they're on the roof all day, they get everything wired up and they're ready to go, and the sun goes down. Especially this time of year and in the fall when the days get shorter. So you can't complete your commissioning on that trip. You have to come back the next day and perform the commissioning. That's another truck roll, and that's an opportunity cost for the next job. With anytime commissioning or nighttime commissioning, we can actually get that job done in a single day.
Yeah, so you mentioned that unique 2-to-1 architecture. How does that benefit installers in terms of hardware management and labor savings?
Having half the number of inverters to install means less time on the roof, which means you're done with your job and on to the next one much faster. We also have a modular trunk cable, which almost acts as an extension cord, and it's plug and play. So you connect one cable between two microinverters, and then you daisy chain to the next one with another plug. This makes those cables much easier to handle and makes the install process much more seamless. The cables are also 10 gauge, which allows you to power 30 amps, meaning that you have a higher power branch circuit, which is less runs off the roof. So again, less equipment to install, easier to handle. These are some of the tenets that we had when we were designing the product. And finally, half the devices to commission, we just talked about the benefits of commissioning, but half the number of devices to commission means half the number of devices to communicate to, which means that process just goes faster.
Yeah, and earlier you had mentioned storage. How does the PWRmicro integrate with storage solutions like the PowerCell 2, and why is this important for installers?
PWRmicro integrates seamlessly with PowerCell 2, and the two product lines speak to each other directly through CAN communication. This lets us control the microinverters in an outage situation much more effectively than with traditional communication methods. Most AC couple systems work with frequency control, which doesn't always have the fastest response time or doesn't give you the granular control levels to really optimize how your solar panels and your microinverters are working when your system is disconnected from the grid. So that enables us to get the best backup experience for our homeowners. And it also helps when you're commissioning the products because we commission them from the same app, Generac Field Pro, and we can validate that it's commissioned properly because of that communication between the two systems. All that being said, the PWRmicro was designed to also integrate with third-party battery solutions as well. Because it's AC coupled, we can integrate with pretty much any third-party AC coupled battery.
So reliability is a key feature for any rooftop electronics. How does the PWRmicro stack up?
Brad, let me tell you, we have really put PWRmicro through the gamut of reliability testing. We wanted to prove that it'll last in the harshest environment that any solar product will see, which is on top of a roof. Which, in the summertime, in extreme conditions, you can get, well over 50 degrees C underneath your solar panel. At the same time, in the winter, you can get ice and snow that sees temperatures well below freezing as well. Some companies will just slap a 25-year warranty on their products and let installers deal with the consequences, but that's definitely not the approach that Generac has taken here. We've put the product through almost 2 million hours of reliability testing, and we have close to 500,000 hours of field testing of our product in the field as well. And of course, we stand by our 25-year warranty, and we also include a 5-year labor warranty for installers, which is industry leading.
You had mentioned that field testing. What kind of feedback have you received from installers who have used the PWRmicro in the field?
So far, installers are loving the product. The feedback that we've gotten is that it's easy and intuitive to install. It really feels like a solid and a robust product, and the performance is as we're expecting. And of course, the commissioning that I've already talked about has been a great experience for installers so far. We just are getting past the winter season, and we've had multiple installers leverage the nighttime commissioning, with the shorter nights, the shorter days that we've had. And we've had installed, that means that they've been able to commission and install the system in a single day. We actually had one installer that installed and commissioned a 20 kilowatt system with 24 microinverters. And the commissioning was performed at 9 p.m. at night.
And for installers considering switching from other microinverter brands, what's the single biggest reason to choose Generac PWRmicro?
Installers should consider Generac PWRmicro because it's going to help them win more deals at the kitchen table. It's a highly differentiated product, and it comes from a brand that homeowners are going to know and trust. Generac's been around for 65 years, and we continue to innovate while supporting one of the largest nationwide installer networks with our suite of products. So we're incredibly excited to introduce PWRmicro as the next step in Generac's evolution, and we know that it's going to help you grow your business.
Well, Rex, I want to thank you for stopping by and making the pitch with us today. Appreciate it.